Hey everybody, how are you doing today? Just wanted to show you what my son bought. My son went out and wanted a brand new blower. So he went out and got a Stihl BR450 blower, brand new from our local hardware store, because the blowers that he has been using are just been, trash finds, junks. Some of them you can't even get the parts for the carburetor anymore. And he just got fed up and said, we have so many leaves here because of these stupid tulip popular trees in everybody else's yard and in our yard, that this is going to be really nice. So let me go over a few of the features on this thing. Fuel tanks here, pull cords here. You have your primer bulb here. This is the choke. So you put the choke on, and then let's say you choke it, and if you hit the throttle, the choke automatically shuts off. The machine is always on. When you want to stop it, you push down on this, and that shuts the machine off, and it always comes back into the run position. Of course, that's the throttle, and you can push that and flip this up, and then that locks it into cruise control. And then you have to squeeze the trigger and put it back down to there. Another thing that's pretty cool on this one too is you unscrew this, and this extends out for, if you're really tall, you want it all the way out. If you're short, you can shorten it up, and then you can tighten this up to tighten it up. It comes with a nice little strap to hold that. It's for storage. And we haven't even put a drop of gas in it yet. They said use premium and 50-to-1 fuel. We will have to get some premium for it. We have not gone out and got any gas for it yet. We'll probably make up some special gas for this one.
Yeah.
And then it's got the adjustable straps over here. So we're gonna go get some fuel for it and mix up a nice new batch of fuel, and we'll get it up and running and see how it sounds and see how it does. Alrighty, we ran up to the gas station and we went to the Sunoco and got the Ultra 93. Hold the can, take the lid off. Ultra 93, I left the receipt in the car, and we also happened to have some brand new Stihl Performance 2-stroke oil. Never been opened, 2 gallons. This is 50-to-1. This is 1 gallon. So we have 2 of them to make 2 gallons. Go ahead and pop the top there. Just push your finger in it. Be sure it's clean. All right, dump that in the gallon of gas, or 2 gallons of gas. There's the first one. Get it all in there, make sure it all gets in there. Next one. All right, put the spout back on and let's mix it up. And then we're going to fuel it up.
I think it's on.
Yeah, it looks tight. All right, that's probably good enough.
Nope, gotta make sure.
All right, make sure. All right, I have no idea how this
This can's kind of funky. You have to squeeze that and then
squeeze and turn.
Squeeze and
yeah,
turn.
all these new gas cans are just terrible.
And then you have to kind of
pull that back.
Pull that back.
All right, go ahead and let's get some gas in your thing, your new blower. All right, let's make some mess everywhere.
I hate these new cans.
Push it in farther. This thing has an extremely big gas tank on it. You're not even half full yet. I can see the line right there.
All right, well, we're at an angle. So.
Okay, that's probably good then. All right, this is going to be the first startup for the new Stihl blower. All right, go ahead and pump your primer bulb up until you get fuel in it. All right, he's got fuel in the primer bulb. Okay, that should be good. Set the choke.
Is that right?
Yep, that's, yep. Go ahead and pull it over. All right, that's good. Let's, come on around and put it on. Started right up, sounded good. Alright, that tight. That's tight. Alright, let's go down here, let's try it out. Everybody, I'm gonna have to say that is a very, very nice backpack blower. If you have the money and the means and you have a big yard with a lot of leaves, I would definitely go and pick up a BR450. That thing started right up. It's got plenty of power.
Really got the power.
It's got a lot of power. All right, everybody, thanks for watching.
I would recommend it.
He recommends it. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner down there. Please give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Please give me a thumbs down if you don't like the video. Please like and share. We'll talk to you all later.